Ever seen an equation with x in the exponent and thought, how do I even solve this? Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step using logs and simple tricks to make it easy. Let's get started. Example 1, 2 to the power of x equals 9. Take the log of both sides. Log of 2 to the x equals log of 9. Bring the exponent to the front using the log rule. X times log 2 equals log 9. Then divide both sides by log 2. X equals log 9 divided by log 2, and you'll get x equal 3.17. Want to verify it? Try 2 to the power of 3.17. It should be close to 9. And it is. Example 2. 7 to the power of the quantity 2x minus 1 equals 20. Now this one is a little trickier because the variable is inside the exponent. But don't worry, we'll use logarithms to bring it down. Step 1. Take the log of both sides. We write log of 7 to the power of the quantity 2x minus 1 equals log of 20. Step 2. Use the logarithmic power rule. That means we bring the exponent down in front. So it becomes the quantity 2x minus 1 times log 7 equals log 20. Step 3. Divide both sides by log 7. On the left side, log 7 cancels out, and we're left with 2x minus 1 equals log 20 divided by log 7. Now use a calculator to find that decimal. Log 20 divided by log 7 is approximately 1.54. So now the equation becomes 2x minus 1 equals 1.54. Step 4, add 1 to both sides. Negative 1 and positive 1 cancel on the left, giving us 2x equals 2.54. Final step, divide both sides by 2. So x equals 1.27, and that's the solution. Example 3. Solve 4 to the power of the quantity x plus 2 equals 9 to the power of the quantity 2x minus 3. Let's solve this using logarithms and step-by-step simplification. Step 1. Take the log of both sides. We write log of 4 to the power of x plus 2 equals log of 9 to the power of 2x minus 3. Step 2. Bring down the exponents using the power rule. It becomes the quantity x plus 2 times log 4 equals the quantity 2x minus 3 times log 9. Step 3. Divide both sides by log 4. That removes log 4 from the left side. Now we have x plus 2 equals the quantity 2x minus 3 times log 9 over log 4. Step 4. Use a calculator to find log 9 divided by log 4. That gives us approximately 1.585. Distribute the value on the right side, and we have x plus 2 equals 2x times 1.585 minus 3 times 1.585. X plus 2 equals 3.17x minus 4.755. Subtract 2 from both sides. Positive 2 and negative 2 cancel on the left, and we have x equals 3.17x minus 6.755. Now subtract 3.17x from both sides. 3.17x and negative 3.17x cancel on the right. We have negative 2.17x equals negative 6.755. Now divide both sides by negative 2.17. Negatives cancel out, and we get x equals approximately 3.11. Example 4. Let's solve this exponential equation. 64 raised to the power of x minus 1 equal 8 raised to the power of 3x. Now we could use logarithms here, but let's try something better. Let's rewrite both sides using the same base. So first, ask yourself, can both 64 and 8 be written as powers of the same number? Yes, they can. Both 64 and 8 are powers of 2. 64 is 2 to the 6th power. 8 is 2 to the 3rd power. So let's rewrite both sides. On the left, 2 to the 6th, all raised to the power of x minus 1. On the right, 2 to the 3rd, all raised to the power of 3x. Now apply the power of a power rule, which says we multiply the exponents. The left side becomes 2 to the power of 6x minus 6. The right side becomes 2 to the power of 3 times 3x, which is 2 to the power of 9x. Now that the bases are the same, both sides are powers of 2, we can set the exponents equal. 6x minus 6 equals 9x. Add 6 to both sides. 6x minus 6 plus 6 equals 9x plus 6. This simplifies to 6x equals 9x plus 6. Subtract 9x from both sides. 6x minus 9x equals 6, which gives negative 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by negative 3. X equals negative 2. Final answer, x equals negative 2. Example 5. We're given the equation. 32 to the power of 4x plus 2 equals 128 to the power of 2x minus 5. Let's break it down. Both numbers, 32 and 128, are powers of 2. 32 is the same as 2 to the 5th power. 128 is 2 to the 7th power. So we rewrite the equation. 2 to the 5th raised to the 4x plus 2 equals 2 to the 7th raised to the 2x minus 5. Now multiply the exponents. That gives us 2 to the power of 20x plus 10 equals 2 to the power of 14x minus 35. Since the bases are the same, we can set the exponents equal. 20x plus 10 equals 14x minus 35. Let's solve this. First, subtract 10 from both sides. Now we have 20x equals 14x minus 45. Next, subtract 14x from both sides. That gives us 6x equals negative 45. Now divide both sides by 6. X equals negative 45 divided by 6, which simplifies to negative 7.5. Final answer, x equals negative 7.5. If you found this helpful, give us a like and consider subscribing for more clear and simple math lessons.